Let's talk beauty. Fast, easy, and clean beauty. Merit Beauty is all about being paraben, sulfate, artificial fragrance, and cruelty-free. Not to mention, it's also vegan and comes in 100% recyclable packaging. And all of their products are designed and formulated for people with sensitive skin, just like me. Did I forget to mention high-performing and long-lasting? Less is more, girls. Merit's minimalist and holistic philosophy is leading the way to products that are safe for our skin, body, and planet. I want to thank Merit for sponsoring today's video. Let's do a holiday look with this product. I'm so excited to get into this. We're going to do a full face and it's going to be angelic, gorgeous, goddess-like, and you know what? Perfect for the season. All right, let's get into this video. So this here is the Day Glow Highlighting Balm. This is the color Bounce. Oh, that's stunning. Let's swatch that. Ooh, I'm so excited to play with that. That is beautiful. Now, if you guys are curious, I do have the other shade right here. So this one is the color Cava. And that is the difference between the two of them. But definitely we're going to go in with this one right here for the color Bounce for this look today. This is their hydrating shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. I got the color Pink Beat. This is the color right here. I also have another one of these. It's more of a nude color, but this I thought would be perfect for the holiday season. That is stunning, and I can't wait to play with that. And this is the color Cheeky in their cheek color, which is a beautiful blush. And I'm going to swatch that right there for you guys. That is stunning, and I can't wait to play with that. To start off this look, I've already gone in and applied their complexion stick right here from Merit. This is a 2-in-1, so this is stunning. Can you guys see this? This is beautiful. I absolutely love the way this sits on the skin, and it's effortless. Like, it just glides on. It's a 2-in-1 product, so this actually is your foundation and your concealer, and you just set it and you're good to go, and you have this amazing flawless base that's going to last all day. Loving this. So if you guys try out anything from the company, this is one of my biggest recommendations, is this complexion stick. It is stunning, beautiful, loving it, goddess-like. So to start this off, I'm going to go in with the color Cheeky. I'm just going to apply just a little bit right here. Normally I don't go straight out of the package onto my face, but I have played with this in the past and I really do like it. So that's where I'm going to lay down my blush. I am going to go in with this, like a flat top brush. This one is from Merit, actually. It's a beautiful brush. I love this. If you guys get a chance, definitely pick it up. But you guys don't need to. You could use any brush that you have just to blend out your blush. Can you guys see how gorgeous that looks? That just looks so stunning and angelic. I love the color. That's just beautiful and fast. This went on again effortlessly. Now for highlighting, we're going to go in with this one right here, and this is the Highlighting Balm from Merit. This one actually has a 12-month shelf life. It is so stunning and just glides on effortlessly. I'm going to show you guys, and you get a lot of product in here. I'm just going to twirl this up so you guys can see the amount of product you get in here. Like, that is a lot of product. That's going to last you all year and then some. What I love about the line is that they're not shy when it comes to giving you product for your money. Like, it's just an amazing line when it comes down to value. Let's go in and just apply this right here to the tops of our cheeks. Okay, that is just stunning. Can you guys see that highlight? I'm just going to go in with my ring finger and just lightly blend those edges, making that seamless. That's stunning. Oh, I love that glow. That's just so angelic. Let's repeat on the other side. I just did like 3 or 4 swipes. What I love about this is that it blends out just so beautifully. No streaks. It's like a perfect application. Like, there's no way you can mess this up. It's like beginner-friendly makeup, and I love that. And it gives you that minimalist, angelic, but beautiful and goddess-like finish. Amazing, right? Now, before we move on to shade Slick, I actually went in and lined my lips. To do that, I just went in with a ColourPop liner, but you can use any liner you want. Unfortunately, Merit doesn't have a liner right now, but that's one of the products I can't wait for them to launch, is a liner, a contour, and definitely a bronzer. I'm looking forward to that. Merit, definitely hit me up when you've got those products. All right, so I'm going to actually go in right now with the color Pink Beat. This one is stunning and so hydrating, like probably the most hydrating lip oil that is on the market right now. And this is clean beauty, and I cannot stress that enough. This is fantastic and so hydrating. Look at this color. That's amazing, right? This is so gorgeous, and it is not sticky. It is hydrating. You're actually doing your lips a favor. This has all the clean ingredients that you're looking for, like squalene. This is gorgeous. This is stunning. And the complexion, right? The complexion, it is just angelic and gorgeous and doll-like. All right, guys, if you love it so much, like I do, let's score this product. And this is how I scored it. All right, so the application was beautiful on all three products. Honestly, the lip went on so stunning and amazing. It's hydrating. It's beautiful. And the blush, again, it's not the first time I've used it. I absolutely love this blush. It is an amazing cream blush for an angelic look. Definitely, if you haven't tried it, I recommend it. And then the highlighter. That color is stunning, and that just gives the most amazing glow for winter. Like, this is just something that if you haven't tried, I'm going to recommend to you. That is beautiful. All right, Merit, thank you so much for sending me these products. I absolutely love them. I think the formula is fantastic, and I can't wait to try out your new products, like the ones that I can't wait to get my hands on, like lip liner, contour, and definitely a bronzer. All right, guys, if you love videos like this one, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want Merit to hear you, write it in the comments down below, because I know that they're going to be watching. All right, guys, until next time, live, love, lip gloss. Bye, guys.